Today, I'd like to share my experience of my second meeting with the Home Office officials at Yardswood Immigration Removal Center. He was the first and last Home Office officials I encountered at the Immigration Removal Center, who was not bribed. The meeting took place on my first Thursday at the removal center. Since Wednesdays are designated for urgent consultations, no appointment was necessary. The office staff member responsible for scheduling the meeting happened to be working her first day at the removal center that day, so she let me in. The person I met was a young British man. Also, he was expressionless. He listened to me very attentively. I told him I was a refugee awaiting the outcome of my asylum application with the Home Office, and I gave him my asylum application number. After, he looking up my information on the computer and asked me, "Who brought you in here?" I said, "I didn't know. All I knew was that police at Exeter David Station had taken me to another police station, where I stayed for 2 days. Then, 2 immigration officers told me they were taking me to a safe, warm place to stay, and let me sign the paperwork. A day after, someone brought me here. I told him my asylum documents by Home Office were in my backpack, but the staff keeping making me wait and never give me my backpack, so he told me to leave. But that afternoon, he went to the reception desk to ask to see the document that had who brought me to the Immigration Removal Center. At the time, I was in a meeting in the same building, just a wall away from the reception area. I also complained in a meeting that the reception desk had not given me the document by Home Office from my backpack. I hadn't heard the text message notification on my phone. Later, when I found the message and asked about it, the receptionist said, "The official of Home Office has already left. I am very sorry about this." So I asked for the officials of Home Office contact information and whether I could still meet with her. The answer was no. Then I asked her, "You knew everyone was in the back room having a meeting. Why you didn't call me? Do you know how important this is to me?" She replied, "There wasn't time." At the time, I didn't know that all the Indian staffs at the reception desk had been bribed. I thought it was all my fault. But now I think maybe they suddenly called everyone to a meeting just to prevent the officials of Home Office who had discovered the issue from finding me and the truth. The following Wednesday, they keeping blocked me from meeting with the officials of Home Office and even lying to me. "You need an appointment for Wednesdays as well. Next time, I'll tell you why would they allow me to meeting the Home Office officials on Wednesday about 2 weeks later."